Welcome to day 3. We are doing dictation today with spelling list 2, short I, which says I. We're going to be going a bit faster. I will repeat it once and then I will let you write it. Sit. Make the sounds and write the word sit. And here's the word sit. Win. Make the sounds and write the word win. And here's the word win. Pin. Make the sounds and write the word pin. And here's the word pin. Kiss. Make the sounds and write the word kiss. Remember, there's 2 letters at the end. Here's the word kiss. Write the word nap. Make the sounds and write the word nap. And here's the word nap. Hit. Make the sounds and write the word hit. And here's the word hit. Miss. Go ahead and make the sounds and write the word miss. And here's the word miss. Up. Make the sounds and write the word up. Here's the word up. Can. Make the sounds and write the word can. And here's the word can. Out. Write the word out. And here's the word out. Okay, friends, that's all for today. Thank you for doing this with me. See you later.